Well, hello 9th standard students. This video is to make you understand the difference between Maths-1 and Maths-2. इसके पहले आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही मैथ्स का बुक था. अब आपके पास दो मैथ्स का बुक है, that is Maths-1 and Maths-2. Let's talk about Maths-1. Maths-1 is lot about algebra. पहला चीज आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि algebra is a lot like arithmetic. Algebra follows all the rules of arithmetic, where in case of arithmetic has four main operations. That is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. But in case of algebra brings a new element, the element of unknown. चलिए एक example देखते हैं. A problem 5 plus 3. Over here we won't get the answer until we do the arithmetic operation. Now the most important thing about algebra is when you don't know the number or the answer, you make use of a symbol. That symbol is usually just any letter of an alphabet. The most popular letter आपका और मेरा चाहिए था X. So in case of arithmetic, we will just leave the problem like this. But in algebra, we will write it like this. The X is the placeholder that stands for the number which we don't know yet. What we have here is just a basic algebraic equation. The goal of the symbol is to figure out what the unknown values in equations are. And when you do that, it's called as solving the equation. Just like sentences describe the relation between specific words, in algebra, equation describes the relation between variables and the numbers. Maths-2. Maths-2 is a special kind of math which is also called as geometry. By the name of the subject, you can realize the concepts. Geometry is the study of things like lengths, angles, shapes, distance, etc. For example, space is a huge issue when planning various construction projects. For instance, the shape or the area of a specific appliance or tool can greatly affect how it will fit. So sometimes you remember an object not by its name but by its shape. Geometry is all about shapes and their properties. When it comes to proofs, it helps us in logical reasoning. Why we do geometry? To discover patterns, find areas, volumes, lengths and angles and better understand the world around us. Welcome to 9th standard. Math will be fun.